Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals at Walgreens this week. It is a good week. I feel like it is the best week we've had in a while. So I'll share all the deals that I snagged as well as a few others. I'll also show you how I used my spend booster, which was spend $50, get $10 in Walgreens cash. I did that as a curbside order, so I will tell you how I did that. Share all the best grocery deals going on this week, as well as everything I saw on clearance while I was in the store. So first of all, there is a promo code you can use for a curbside order that is pickup15. That is on a $20 or more order. Just remember that will affect any spend deals that you're doing. So be careful when using a promo code on a spend deal. And I'll talk about that more here in just a moment. Let's talk about the deals that you have to do in store. And the reason you have to do this in store is because it generates a register reward. That is on these Crest Pro Health Advanced. It is the 3.5 ounce. These are $4 each. You want to pick up 2 of them. There are 2 different $2 digital coupons. So you're going to pay $4 at the register, get back a $3 register reward. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you're going to get $2 back on each of them. So $4 back on Ibotta, leaving your final cost to be free and a $3 moneymaker on 2 of these toothpaste. Again, do that deal in store only. The other deal I did in store was on the Hallmark cards. I've mentioned these the last couple of weeks. Every time you buy 2 Hallmark cards, you're going to get a $5 coupon back. I'm purchasing the cards that are 2 for $5. So I purchase the ones at 2 for $5. I give them the $5 coupon that I have. I pay $0. Then I get back another $5 coupon, and you can just keep rolling that. One thing to be cautious of, I've heard from people that if they are using that coupon that prints, none of their other digital coupons are coming off. So just be careful. You might want to do it in a separate transaction. That way it doesn't affect any of your other digital coupons coming off. But that deal is still going. It's supposed to go on until August 31st, but I keep checking it each week just to make sure. And I did it this morning and it printed without any issues. Now, let's talk about a few more deals. You can do curbside or you can do in-store, up to you. Then I'll show you how I put it together for a spend deal. Now, these Tide products are on sale, 4 for $10. That makes them just $2.50 each. I love it when they do this deal because I always roll those into a spend deal, and there are multiple products included in that 4 for $10. Now, the Dove, this is another moneymaker. So these Dove shampoo and conditioners are $4 a piece. Pick up 2 of them, that's $8. There is a $5 digital coupon, so you will pay $3, getting back a $5 register reward, making them free, and a $2 moneymaker. Now, one thing to note, if you do this in store, you'll get the register reward. You can do this curbside and it's giving Walgreens cash instead. So I did it curbside and I did get the Walgreens cash for these, making them free and a moneymaker. Now, the Garnier is also on promotion. Great deal this week. These are 2 for $8, multiple products included. There is a $3 digital. You'll pay $5, get back $4 in a register reward if you do it in store, $4 Walgreens cash if you do it curbside, making it $1 for both or just 50 cents each. Now, you can do this for the whole blends as well. It is the same deal, just don't do it in the same transaction because you're only going to get that Walgreens cash or register reward once in the transaction. So make sure you split that up. Side note, this Curl Shape spray gel, I use this. I actually really like this product. The Axe, simple deal. These are buy one, get one 50% off, and there is a $6 digital. So if you pick up 2 of the Axe body washes, it'll total you $8.98 minus that $6 digital coupon. It drops your final cost down to just $1.49 for each of these Axe body washes. Now, the Shea Moisture is on promotion for spend $20. Get $10 in Walgreens cash back. This is great to roll into a spend booster because you already have to spend the money to get the money back. So let's break it down super simple. These are $10 each. This is the Jamaican black castor oil. This is a pure argan oil. They're $10 each. That's $20. There's a $5 digital coupon, so you'll pay $15, and you do have to pay that, not using your Walgreens cash to pay, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it $5 for both, or just $2.50 each. Now, let me show you how I rolled that into my spend booster. Again, my spend booster was spend 50, get 10. While this is not a product that I would typically buy, because it was spend 20, get 10, and I was trying to get to that $50, I did pick up 2 of these at $10, so that was 20 bucks there. I did the Axe deal just the way I told you, so that counted $8.98 towards the spend booster. The Garnier at $8 towards the spend booster. The Dove at $8 towards the spend booster, and then 4 of the Tide. I did this curbside. Before coupons, that total is $54.98. After the coupons that I've already told you about in the individual deals, it was $35.98. Again, it's a spend deal, so I'm spending that out of pocket. If you're doing it in store and you want to use manufacturer register rewards to pay down the balance, you can. I got back 10 for spending 50 on the booster, 10 for spending 20 on the Shea Moisture, 5 for the Dove, and 4 for the Garnier, leaving it $6.98 for all of it. Now, there are tons of different ways that you could put this together. That's just how I chose to do it. But if you're coming up with a great scenario, let us know down in the comments. Now, this eye wash right here, you can snag this completely free. It's $5.49. There's a $3 manufacturer coupon and a $3 store coupon. The store coupon will adjust down, allowing you to get this item completely free. Grocery deals. The ginger ale and the A&W is on sale, 3 for $11.99. That makes it like $3.99 for a 12-pack. Great price. The Cokes are buy 2, get 2 free, so that's like Coke and Sprite and Dr. Pepper. That comes out to 4 for $19.98, or just around $5 per 12-pack. The Smucker's jelly I saw was on sale, 2 for $5. Pop-Tarts are still buy 1, get 1 free. Hot dogs are buy 1, get 1 free. That makes them $2 a pack. And the Pringles are also buy 1, get 1 free. Those were the best grocery deals that I saw this week. I think I covered everything. Don't forget that coupon code PICKUP15 if you want to use that for a curbside order. Just make sure if you're doing a spend booster, your total has to reach that spend amount after that coupon code comes off, okay? That will reduce your spend amount. I will include pictures of the clearance items at the end of the video. My son's birthday is this week. I can't believe it's already here. If you don't know yet, he is turning 15. He is getting his driver's permit. He's already done the online course and taken the test, and I've let him drive in the parking lot a little bit to practice. But he will officially get his permit next week, and he is so excited. He can't wait to start driving. He has performances all weekend. That's just our life, and I think that's it. That's kind of everything that's been going on. So I hope you guys are doing well, and have a great week of shopping. Thanks.